Good morning, everyone. I am Renka from KGBV, Conropet. Children, our lesson name? Yes, globe, a model of the earth. In previous class, what we have learned, children? Oceans and continents. Very good. Children, I will ask some questions in previous class, so everyone give me answers. First question, how many oceans in the world? Yes, 4. What are they? Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Good. How many continents in the world? There are 7 continents in the world. Which is the smallest continents in the world? Good, Australia. Very good. Today we learn about direction on the globe. Today we learn about direction on the globe. Children, you had learnt about 4 direction in the earlier chapter. Tell me how many directions? 4 directions. Good. What are they? Tell me. East, west, south, north. Once again repeat, children. East, west, north, south. Good. Look at the globe, children. Located the North Pole and South Pole. Look at the North Pole and South Pole. Children, if you face north, the east is on your right. East is on your right. And west is on your left. Children, the earth rotates every day from the west to the east. So, cause of day and night. Children, they are formed by rotation of the earth. When earth rotates, part of the earth directly in front of the sun experience day, and other dark part experience night. We get day and night because the earth rotates. You have observed the 2 poles? Yes. On the globe, children, this is North Pole and this is South Pole. There are 2 points on the opposite ends on the earth. As we look at the globe, we see that passing right through the center of the earth is an imaginary line called the axis. That passing right through the center of the earth is an imaginary line called the axis. Children, lines on the globe. Lines on the globe. Children, observe the globe. Yes, many lines across the globe. Some lines run from North Pole to South Pole. North Pole to South Pole. Some lines run around the earth from west to east. There are imaginary lines drawn by map makers. Help us locate places on the globe and maps. Located place on the globe and maps. The concept of lines on the globe called latitudes and longitudes. The concept of lines on the globe called latitudes and longitudes, along with poles, were well known to our Indian ancestors like Aryabhatta. Latitudes. These are imaginary lines that are drawn from west to east. These are the imaginary lines that are drawn from west to east. West to east. Can you compare the length of these lines? Yes. Children, a same length of these lines. The longest of these lines is called the equator. Total number of latitudes 180. In these major latitudes are 0 degree, it is called equator, and 23.5 degree north latitude, it is Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree south latitude, it is called Tropic of Capricorn. And next 66.5 degree north latitude, it calls Arctic Circle. And 66.5 degrees south latitude calls Antarctica Circle. North degree 90 degree north latitude is called North Pole, and 90 degree south latitude is called South Pole. The longest of these lines is called equator. Equator divided two equal halves called hemisphere. Equator divides the globe into equal halves called hemisphere. This is north hemisphere, this is south hemisphere. Children, in which hemisphere is India located? Yes, north hemisphere located India. Which hemisphere has more water than land? North hemisphere. Okay, children. And longitudes. These imaginary lines run from one pole to other. One pole to the other. There are two main longitudes. Greenwich line and second one international date line. Greenwich line, which is also called 0 degree longitudes. And international date line, which is also called 180 east to west longitudes. The latitudes and longitudes create a net that covers the map and help us locate places. Latitudes and longitudes create a net that covers the map and help us to locate a place. You can easily locate it on the globe or map. Children, okay.